So let's imagine I'm a CISO and I've just received word of the drift breach. I need to understand what's our exposure so that I can potentially report it to the board. So I'm going to ask the VISO AI agent to summarize that for me. So this is a material security incident that affects me, but also 7 of my third parties who themselves use SalesLoft. And in this case, it looks like there was exfiltration of customer support tickets, contact information, API tokens, passwords. So I need to rotate all of these tokens and passwords, but I also need to audit all of the data that was shared with SalesLoft support channels. And I also need to look into the 7 third parties that I have that also use SalesLoft. So I'm going to go ahead and tailor a questionnaire specifically to them, asking them what systems have been compromised. Do you have some of my data that you've identified as potentially being compromised and exfiltrated? And I can just go ahead and ask the security agent here to just send it to these 7 vendors and also notify internally all the people who need to know about this so that we can quickly get a handle on what was exposed and even make regulatory filings as quickly as possible if we need to.